Hello everyone.
Hello everyone,
So my name is Lin Tong.
my name is Albert.
So today we will start to learn how to use Arduino. So first, let me ask Oliver. So do you know what this is?
Ocarina.
Um,
They are
so
they are the same.
you see this two, is looks like identical.
They are like the same.
Yeah, they are the same. See?
Hmm.
So this one is called Eleco, and this one is called Arduino. Both of them are Uno R3, and the two is actually identical, have the same function. And here is you can see the link for this one. They has a toolkits and have a lot of fun parts. And what we use to program this one is actually the Arduino's software. So today I will first show you how to install this software, and then we can start some simple lessons, and you will find it's very fun to play with the Arduino board, or we can call it the Lego board. Thank you. Do you want to learn this?
Yes.
Yeah, let's start. Yeah.